A research review for ChatGPT Plugin ScholarAI. What is ScholarAI? It is an AI scholarly database which has access to over 200 million scholarly articles ranging from science to medicine, business, and law. So let's take a look at its functionalities. First, what I'm going to do is log into ChatGPT 4, and I'm going to click on this arrow here to click on plugins. As you can see, it automatically logs into ScholarAI. If you have not logged into the plugin store to get ScholarAI, I recommend you do so. So once we click on ScholarAI, we're right here and we can begin the process. The first prompt that I'm going to do is the following. Provide me with the most cited articles on supply chain issues in the United States. So once I hit enter, it should provide me with a few articles. So as you can see here, based on these results, it gives us the number of citations. It will provide us with the PDF link if it has it, as well as the DOI that is associated with the particular article. So if I click here, it will in fact provide us with the free open access publication if it has access to it. If we click on the DOI link for some of these resources, it will in fact give us the abstract of the article. However, if I do click on this PDF, it will not, because this is behind a paywall and you will need direct access to it, whether it's from your academic or public library that has access to it, but could be issues for people who don't have this accessibility. One of the great features about this particular resource is that it provides a lot of different ways that you can organize your content. So for an example, if I wanted citations in the APA format, I can just put the following. Provide me with APA citations for the following articles. As we can see here, it only provided us with 3 citations out of the 4 articles that we originally prompted. And it's missing the year as well, which could be problematic. Nonetheless, I think one of the key features that they integrated with this particular plugin is that you can add Zotero, which is a citation manager, into this as well, which may fix some of these wonky problems that we see right here. Other questions that I had about this particular resource is, can it use Boolean operators? And this is something that I wanted to experiment with, because many of the databases that we use in academia, you can use Boolean operators to retrieve the information that's needed for your research query, and most importantly, you can refine it from there. So I just wanted to try it to see if it worked and what type of information we can get from this. So when I use the Boolean operators, quotation, supply chain, and issues, and United States in quotations, or USA in quotations, it provided me with these articles. So in fact, it seems like you can use them, but it's not, I'm not 100% sure whether this particular AI plugin actually in fact use Boolean operators or not. I'm not sure whether it's just basing this off of keywords or whether this functionality is in fact implemented within this plugin, but I just wanted to try it. As we can see here, it does provide us with some type of articles, which are not bad for the most part, and does provide us with articles that are cited, well, at least one of them. So really interesting to see, and I'm wondering if this could be implemented within this particular plugin, because I think that would be a really highlighted feature. How does ScholarAI tackle the AI hallucination problem? According to their website, they attach the DOI to the publications to avoid the artificial hallucination problem, which is fantastic, because then you can go directly to that particular article, whether it's open access or non-open access, to see if it's in fact a publication. My questions and observations after using this resource for 2 weeks are, where exactly are the open access articles coming from? There wasn't a clear indication where exactly they're coming from in terms of how they get their coverage for the different disciplines. So whether it's in an open access platform or non-open access platform, I wasn't 100% sure on where the publications were coming from. The second thing is, the articles came with a DOI, but some were behind a paywall, which could cause accessibility issues for some. Not many people are associated with academic libraries or public libraries, so this is kind of important to understand, where are they retrieving this information? So it kind of goes back to question 1 again. Where exactly are they retrieving this information, and how can we make this accessible for all? And last but not least, does ScholarAI work with Boolean operators or just prompts? That's something where I was trying to figure out. I used the Boolean operators in my examples. It did retrieve information, but I wasn't sure whether it's just a generic type of response based on the keywords or whether in fact the Boolean operators worked. And if you're interested in learning more about these resources, feel free to grab my book for only $3.99 at jonathantorres.gumroad.com/i/30AI tools, or you can use a QR code. I have the link directly below in my YouTube description. With that being said, I want to thank everybody for viewing this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. I'm on X at JonathanMLIS, and I'm on LinkedIn at Jonathan Torres MLIS. And if you found this useful, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.